Oh, I just couldn't help myself. It stopped snowing and icing for a little while, so I got my drone out and I flew it for 10 minutes. And it did wonderful. Oh, look at these pine siskins. They're hungry. Come on, kids. I just put a bunch. Come on, little guys. You're hungry, huh? Look at all these icicles we got. And you can hear the trees, limbs cracking. They were real interested in my drone. They were flying above it and looking at it. I wish I would have had a video of that. But look at this. It's supposed to warm up a little bit. But we shall see. This is very dangerous. You cannot walk in this. I can't go get to my drone pad. I'll have to leave it there. Those birds up there. There is 3 or 4 inches on top of the 2 inches of ice. And then you sink down. Sink down about 8 inches. Some areas have 8 inches of ice. There's no electricity anywhere all around the whole valley. There are several thousand people without power. But a lot of us have generators here. That's the only way you can operate around here, because we've gone as much as 2 weeks without electricity. But that was years ago when Madison was about 20 years ago. My granddaughter was about 2 or 3. Look at all this. My poor tree. I love this tree, but I'm worried. He says he thinks it's going to break. And look at this, tops of these. You can hear kids down there with their ATVs, snowmobiles. I wish we had one. That would be fun. Anyway. It is pretty cold out, and it's supposed to get worse later today. So stay safe. I'm going to make a video about, oh, wait till you see a new scam. You are going to be shocked, and you're going to be pissed, because a lot of people are getting caught. But free stuff, free iPad, just take the survey. Don't do it, but sub to my channel and I will give you some information about this new scam.